subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV, Kipetwe Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Amazulu 2, I'm joined by Teboho.
Steve okay. Kete, long time.
Yeah, we pick it.
Ekekale.
Skype.
Kete.
Kenzole sharp man.
Kenzekele sharp.
Bona manora.
Bona manora. Sharp.
Game when is
La ke nyoko bolela thata Steve. Williams bathong.
What a cost, ane?
Williams bathong.
Williams what a cost.
Bothata o sengehile kae? O sengehile kae?
Ko Williams ne?
Williams clean sheet ya mopalla.
Ba etsenga Williams. Ba bontshe ba menze.
A khutsenya.
A relax ne?
A relax.
Ka wa re le ma.
Wa re le matsa ka.
Ba ke chain ka clean sheet.
Some compare. Mara some compare vele. Some compare. Team o itsa ke rate bya. Banu wena o tomo ke ntsa.
Okay, some compare. Okay, I got so.
Williams. And le bola Khadosa sa ke ntsa Mothiba yo. Mathata.
Yeah.
Problem. Bola. Mothiba akitswa ba khethile Mothiba over Shaluli.
Wa ibona ntshweu.
Na kitsi why?
Ka Raman ke body period.
Aish.
Wa insurance ke sure.
Mothiba tsentsa dlaleng.
I have mentioned it. Wa ibona. Yeah, ka le di Blue Bulls.
Yeah.
One time. Ba mo transfer again.
Ba mo transfer. Ai khutsa tsamaya.
Abadi bereng. Man of the match ke bang.
Kalebo. Man of the match aka ke Matthews.
Ke Matthews.
Amfanelo o tletse ka check. Quality. Amana re tshware di quality o di bone mos. O di bone.
A di quality fair.
Quality fair.
Ai jwa, di quality.
Kalebo. Marwana le re. Marwana.
Sheba quality go towns ba fe. A sheba 360 bo. Yeah man. Yeah man.